Hi, my fellow beauty boffins. Let's dive into the top main benefits of Vajayay. Benefit number 1, fights infections. Vajayay strengthens your body's defense against common intimate health issues, including candida and UTIs. Benefit number 2, it eases IBS symptoms. The powerful patented probiotic in Vajayay provides relief from colon discomfort and irritation, promoting a balanced and healthy digestive system. Benefit number 3, it reduces bloating. Nobody feels like being bloated all day long and uncomfortable. Vajayay helps you to feel lighter, confident, and more energized throughout the day. Benefit number 4, highly effective dose. Each capsule of Vajayay offers 2 billion CFUs along with an effective dose of cranberry extract and black chokeberry fruit.